Hello, if you want to make electronic products and purchase external materials, please contact our company directly through easyline.com, Shenzhen Huaxin Qiang. Electronic technology welcomes customers who come to Easyline with business discounts. It is one of the integrated enterprises of manufacturing and external materials processing, OEM/ODM, providing professional SMT surface mounting and DIP processing business to the electronics industry. The processing products include mobile power supplies, wireless chargers, data cables, card readers, SD cards, MMC cards, MMC MINI cards, mice, Bluetooth adapters, cameras, portable speakers, and other electronic and digital products, and can develop products according to customers' needs. The company has advanced production equipment, rich experience in electronic production, and scientific management methods. High quality, high efficiency, and a strong position in the fierce market competition. With excellent quality, highly creative and interesting life design, colorful marketing medium, perfect pre-sales/after-sales service system, and almost zero maintenance rate of quality assurance, Huaxin has won a strong product series of electronic digital products, winning the widespread trust of customers and consumers' love. Huaxin's strong team includes a group of management, marketing, training, and network elites, and with the upstream of the largest domestic chip manufacturers to form strategic partnerships. Its strong technical support is Huaxin's strong and other digital product series with the industry's leading strong guarantee. With the honesty and intelligence of all employees, Huaxin Qiang adheres to the principle of win-win and creates opportunities for agents, employees, and the public to meet the reasonable interests and develop. In the new century of science and technology, our research and development engineers will maintain a deep sense of contact, keep up with the world's latest technology and fashion trends, and continue to develop high-tech products with high technical content and good market prospects to return to our customers. Shenzhen Huaxin's Strong Electronic Technology Co., Ltd., is committed to our customers in line with the purpose of quality as the basis, technology as the root, integrity as the soul, innovation as the flag. Now the company is ready to establish a complete brand service agency and marketing team throughout the country, which will seek dealers and regional agents throughout the country and welcome units or individuals to our company through Easyline for inspection and guidance.